Here's problem 17, a little tricky. It says if 16 to the w plus 2 power is equal to the 11th, what is the value of w? Now, since this SAT question was multiple choice, the quickest, easiest way, since we're not really sure what to do, is plug 0.75 in and check, hey, does 16 raised to, on your calculator, the 2.75 power equal what 2 to the 11th is? Plug in 1.33. Does 16, use the caret for raised to, 2 plus 1.33 to the 3.33 power equal to the 11th? And then do 2.8. So 16 to the 4th, does it equal? That's one way to do it, especially with this multiple choice. And you'd find your answer. But what if it isn't a multiple choice question? How do we do this? Well, one way to do it would be using logarithms. We don't really know logarithms. Logarithms would be very simple to solve it. So we don't know logarithms yet, so what do? Well, let's think to this 2 to the 11th. When I see something like this, I notice 2 to the 11th means I have 11 2's. There's 4 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 2's all multiplied across the page. Now, this 16 to the w plus 2 means we have 16 times itself a couple number of times. Well, I don't know how many times, but it's something in there, right? Notice that 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. That clues me into something here. This is worth 16. There's one set of 16. A second set of 16. Well, what fractional part of 16 do we have here? If I had one more 2 right here, we'd have another set, wouldn't we? So if I have 3 out of the 4 I need, this is really, I have 3/4 of what I need. I have one whole set here, one whole set here, and 3/4 of a set here. This 2 to the 11th can be written as 16, 16. How many sets of 16? 1, 2, and then 3/4. So it can be written as 16 to the 2 and 3/4 power. If you don't believe me, do 16 raised to the 2.75, and you'll see that it is the same as 2 to the 11th. Well, this brings us back to the problem. If this 2 to the 11th is simply 16 to the 2.75 power, well, what is w then? It's got to be 0.75, because 2 plus 0.75 will give you that 2.75 there. This is a way of looking at numbers, and you have to have a number sense. And a lot of us, we just seem to miss that along the way because there were so many things that we were trying to be taught. But here, again, later on, I'll show you how to use logarithms for this. But right now, this is the thinking we have to go to. But to be honest, the easiest way when they give me a multiple choice is just to plug it in there very quickly and see which one matches up. Here's problem 17 for you. A little thinking going on there.